Hey guys, if you're trying to log into Fortnite in the new season, so here we go. So we're just gonna log in. You're gonna see this. That's okay. That's because the new season started. There's always downtime and there's nothing you can do about it. But all you can do right now is just make sure that it's up to date. You should be seeing this screen. By the way, if you're seeing this screen, it's up to date. If you're seeing any other screen, your Fortnite is not up to date and you need to update it first. If you have any problems with that, just turn off and on your automatic updates on your Xbox. You can also reset your MAC address, that should help out, and also restart your console. Again, that's if you're having any problems updating it first. Other than that, again, even if it tells you that you don't have to wait at all, and you're just logging in like you see on this screen, and tells you server's not responding, again, it's because of exactly that. It's still downtime, so you can't get in the game. What I suggest doing is not just staying this screen and just keep retrying and retrying. I would always close Fortnite, because when downtime is over, usually you will have to close Fortnite, open it up again, and then you will be able to get into the game. Usually if you're stuck in the screen that we went into, it's just not gonna work out. You always need that refresh so you can actually log into Fortnite. But anyways, that would be it for this video. Just wait for downtime to be over, guys, and you should be okay.